for the sake of this tutorial, I've actually imported in the following background, which is right here. I just call it snowfall. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to create insert a new symbol, and this new symbol, I may call this new symbol snow falls. That's what I'm going to call my new symbol, snow falls. So let me just click on that, accept. Yeah, that's my new symbol right there. The background is very similar to the background of my scene right here. So I will now maybe select up to insert F7 there. Okay, that's my snow, and apply the onion skin to it. Yeah, just move it across, and you see it. Look at it right there. Maybe let me just change the background so that you guys can see it clearly. Okay, now that I've changed the background, that's what you can see. Now that's my snowflake. And if you look carefully, you will notice the snowflake is sort of like invisible, or should I say transparent. If I come back and say it, go there. That's my onion ring all the way there. Sorry, onion skin, not onion ring, onion skin. Okay, that's right. That's it right there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to draw a little snowflake right here. Okay, that's a tiny little snowflake. Okay, that's an F15, tiny little snowflake. The whole idea, I'll move it down a little bit. The whole idea is just for this snowflake to sort of like simulate a vanishing effect, or disappearing effect actually. Alright, let's come down a little bit. So I'll click anywhere in here and just apply create shape twinning, and you see that. So here I will now press F6 at frame 30. Okay, and you see this, and this is my snow right here, the little snowflake. I will apply color to it and change the alpha, or the opacity, from 100 to 0. If I click anywhere here, you will see this snowflake will disappear. Okay, and you see that it's gone. So what I'm going to now do is I will then apply, right click anywhere and apply create twinning to it. Okay, I've just applied create shape twinning. Look at that. So this is just what I will now import onto my Sage. So let me go back to scene, and as before, then get rid of the onion skin, and why the onion skin is there, let me come here and see. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, now double click on this, and I'm back to my scene now. So what will happen is if I if I add this snowflake onto stage, let's create another layer. That's another layer. Okay, lock up the background layer. Has the snowflake here. You see that? So if I now extend my timeline to just copy it across to 30, and let's say let's move it up there a little bit, run or test the scene. This is what we see. You see the effect, the snowflake coming down and at the same time disappearing. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to develop more of those, but I will then improve on what I've done here so far. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to now create a new action script file. It's my new action script file. I think I should save this as name, falling snow. Save, and let's start package. Let's import flash display. And the movie clip. Oops. Movie clip. Okay. And also import so the next thing let's now say public class as falling snow. Falling snow as actually making this action script public. Okay, and then extend it. Extend movie clips. Okay, and I curly bracket there. Alright, and the next thing is to actually declare some private variables. Okay, declare variable for rate. Yep, for rate. Okay. Now all the private variables declared. The next thing I'm going to do now is to actually declare my function. And so far there's the complete code. Okay, it's taking me some time to study the code and get it right so far. Well, the next thing I'm going to do now is to actually go to my scene here. Okay, let me go to my scene here. So I will then insert an action there. actions. Okay, and here is that's my background. Background image. Right. So let me just lock up my background image. And here is supposed to be the snow, the snow imported snow. Okay, lock that as well. Right. Now this is the action script for the snow, as in the scene actually. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is actually to link my falling snow, which is this, to link it to the property here. So I'll right click, go to property. So that's the name of my falling snow right there, snowfalls. So let's import. The name of the file is called falling snow. Yeah. Change that to falling snow. Okay, which is right here. That's the file I'm referring to. So click on OK. And this is my movie clip. That's a movie clip right there. So click on OK. And that's the link made. And you see the link right here? Link is made. Next thing is just to try it out and see how it works. Let's try it out now. Test the same. Okay, that's my scene right there. That's my snow. Now the same, sir. It seems the snow is actually settling before it gets to hit the ground. That's the snow settling before it gets to hit the ground. I think I'm going to find a solution to this, maybe extend the timeline. That's what I would do. So let's go back to the movie clip and get this one sorted. Double click, let me go back there and just get it sorted here. That's the timeline here. So maybe let me just F5, make the timeline a little bit. Let's delay the fall of the snow to about, that's 40. Yeah, that's fine. Let me see now. Okay, I'll get rid of that. That's 55. Maybe 60. Let's make it 60. 60. Maybe one more time. That's 60. Then I go back to my scene here and just extend everything here as F5 to make that up to 60, or maybe just highlight 60. Highlight up to 60 and just press F5. Copy it across. So let me give it a try again. Control. So this is the final output, which I feel is it's much better than the previous one. You can see the snow coming down and settling on the ground. think this is much better than the way it was. Now the snow is sort of like settling now, and it's gonna come back in. Yeah, that's fine. So maybe I just need to change like a bit of changes to the timing of the snow. So it is the first stage of this my tutorial. The second stage is I'm going to actually embed a platform gain into this snowdropper tutorial. So watch out for the second tutorial. Thank you.